Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to earn on this new Telegram app called Pixel or by Pixelverse. So Pixelverse is a tapping app like Notcoin, as you can see, but you can ease the struggle by just claiming all the reward. As you can see guys, you can invite. As you invite friends, you get plus 2000 Pixelverse points, and you can invite friends with premium and get plus 10,000 Pixelverse points. Score 5% of your bodies plus an extra 1% from their referrals. And here is the fight section. It is a gaming app. You can fight against other players and also be scoring some points, some Pixelverse points. This is the top leaders, the leaderboard. As you can see, win this week 100,000 USDT by referring, guys. As you can see, this is not a small project, guys. You can see the top referrer has referred over 318,700 referrals, and the second one has invited 315,533 referrals, and the third one has invited 292,134 referrals. Guys, don't joke with this project. It is a very great project, and also many exchangers have been talking about the project. As you can see, here's the daily combo, and here is the daily reward, as you can be claiming every 24 hours, guys. So I think that's all. Yeah, let me show you the wallet. You can connect your wallet by choosing either Binance, OKX, Bybit, HTX, KuCoin, Maxi, BitGet, Trust Wallet, 1inch, and others. You can connect your wallet for future use. As you can see, guys, this is a very great project, and we hope it will even do great job more than Notcoin. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, or you can say follow. Thanks. See you later.